Welcome back to the Orion Moto YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering the electric balance bike rear wheel and what sets it apart from the competitors. Once you remove your 6 hex bolts, you're going to take your palm, you're going to push, and you'll pull it out. Be careful because there is a washer on the inside of that shaft. On the inside of this wheel, you'll notice there's an upgraded C&U bearing in there. We like to use the upgraded bearings, that way you don't have to upgrade or worry about replacing your bearings further on down the road. There's a spline inside here that the gears on the motor sit inside. That's what spins the wheel. We'll get into that here in a little bit. And then on the outside of the wheel, there is a seal to keep your dirt, dust, and grime out. Moving forward to the electric motor itself, once you remove this from the rear wheel, the first thing you'll notice is these 3 plastic gears right here. These plastic gears are made out of polyoxymethylene, which is also known as Delrin plastic. We here at Orion are the only balance bike brand to use Delrin plastic gears. The reason for that is because these are tougher, a nice tougher plastic. It'll handle all the abuse. You won't have the wear and tear over time, and it'll take anything your kids can throw at these. These right here come out of the rear wheel right there that we covered before. These gears sit into that spline, and once this electric motor spins, these spin along with it and move that spline, causing the rear wheel to move. Diving a little deeper into this electric motor right here, we're gonna take the cover off. Once you got that cover off, you'll notice that there's another C&U upgraded bearing in there. And then on the other side, there's another seal. Keep your dirt, dust, and grime out of there. Also on the inside of that is a pickup in there. That is for your speed sensor, which can be found on the inside of the electric motor itself. Right here where those 3 little blue wires are and that black tab. That is for your speedometer. That's gonna tell you your miles per hour on your display, so you can always know how fast you're going. Also found on the inside of that electric motor is a circuit board. This circuit board right here is going to help you identify your error codes. If something goes wrong in this motor right here, this circuit board is going to give you an E10 or either an E07 code. Your E07 is going to be for a motor failure, your E10 is going to be for a connection break. If this wire happens to get bent or something gets loose, that's what this circuit board right here does. It picks up everything that could be possibly wrong with your motor. Taking a closer look inside the motor, you'll notice the outside edge of the coils, but the inside edge of the motor, there are magnets going all the way around. You also notice that there's coils on the inside of those magnets. Whenever you receive power from your battery, it's going to react through those coils to those magnets, causing your motor to spin forward. When that motor spins forward, these 3 gears all spin on the inside spline of that rear wheel, causing the rear wheel to spin forward. It's as simple as that. Well, I think that pretty much wraps up everything on the electric motor. Remember, you have your Delrin gears, you have your upgraded bearings on the outside cover, you have the seal on the outside cover, you also have the upgraded bearing on the inside of the wheel and the seal on the outside cover of that. We went with the Delrin plastic, so everything was durable. It's gonna last, it's gonna outperform the competitors. You got your speed pickup, so you always know your speed. And it's real simple to put back together or replace something when need be. So you'll just take your cover, you'll take your washer, grab your rear wheel, spin it around a little bit until those gears get into place in there. You can always push back just a little bit if you need to get it lined up just perfect. And there you have it. There's the Orion balance bike rear wheel, rear motor assembly. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us on orionmoto.com. Click on our support page. We'll be more than happy to answer your questions, whether you're replacing or just want to know a little more information about it. I will see you guys in the next video.